Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Nexo. In my previous videos, I was showing you that Nexo formed a huge symmetrical triangle on the 7 day time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, by the way, this was a triangle, and the movement was slightly changed from a symmetrical to a descending triangle, and this was the support of the triangle. And over here, we had a complete support line from 54 cents to approximately 50 cents. You can see that we had stable touch points here, then we had a bounce here, another bounce, another bounce. And finally, after getting squeezed inside this triangle, we broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, we had a massive pump. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has pumped almost 209%. And by the way, the technical target that I was telling you, that is now slightly changed because the movement was slightly changed from the symmetrical to a descending triangle. And the technical target was here exactly at this resistance of $1.59. And you can see that the price has already hit the target. Then it broke out this symmetrical triangle, and now recently it has broken out another falling wedge pattern as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several weeks it has been moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection here, and another rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally we broke out the resistance of the wedge. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Nexo that I shared a few days ago on 12th of July 2025 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Nexo that I shared a few days ago on 12th of July 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish butterfly move that Nexo completed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying zone, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal. First, it dropped down at the very end of the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal in the price and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Nexo, and this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or a few months, it has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 20th of December 2024 when we found the support here. Then we had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection, another rejection, bounce, and finally after a small rejection, the price then broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Right now, it is trying to break out this very long-term resistance of $1.35.4. You can see that for the past several weeks, a few months, it is breaking at it very, very strong resistance since after the month of Feb 2025. We got few rejections here, another rejection here, almost had another rejection here, and few more rejections here as well. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance of $1.35.4 has been almost breaking other resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Nexo. By the way, here we also had another rejection as well. Therefore, we need to break it out now to continue this move to the upside. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere approximately at $1.50. And before that, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this descending triangle. Then we broke out this symmetrical triangle as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, because this move is still due, the target for the breakout from this triangle. And now we have broken out this wedge, therefore I'm expecting that soon we can also hit that target as well. And that technical target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $2.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.